are going to love the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.